Excuse me, is this room 204?
Yes, it is. Are you here for English class?
Yes, today is my first day.
Oh, welcome. I'm in this class too.
Really? That's good. I feel a little nervous.
That's okay. First days are hard.
Is this your first day too?
Yes, I'm new here.
That's nice. We are both new.
Yes, the school is very big.
Yes, I almost got lost.
Don't worry, you're in the right room.
Thank you. What time does class start?
At 9, we still have time.
Good. I came early today.
That's a good idea.
I hope the teacher is nice.
I think she is.
I hope this class is good.
Me too. Let's do our best.
What's your name?
My name is Tom. What's your name?
I'm Anna. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Anna.
Where are you from?
I'm from a small town near here.
Oh, nice. I'm from another city.
Do you live in a dorm now?
Yes, I live in the school dorm.
Is it good?
It's small, but it's okay.
What are you studying?
I'm studying business.
Me too. We are in the same program.
That's great.
Why do you take this English class?
I need it for my course.
Same here. English is important.
Yes, I want to speak better English.
Did you study English before?
Yes, in high school, but I forgot a lot.
Me too. I understand reading, but speaking is hard.
Yes, speaking is hard for me.
Do you have many classes today?
I have 2 classes. What about you?
I have 3 classes today.
That sounds busy.
Yes, but I think it's okay.
Do you know this teacher?
No, I don't. I heard she is kind.
That's good. I like kind teachers.
Me too. It makes learning easier.
Do we need a book for this class?
I think yes. It's on the school website.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Don't worry, the teacher will tell us.
I'm happy I met you today.
Me too. It's nice to have a classmate to talk to.
Oh no, I think I have a small problem.
What happened?
I don't have my student ID card yet.
Really? Did you apply for it?
Yes, but I didn't receive it.
Maybe it's at the student office.
I hope so. The guard asked for it this morning.
That's normal. They check student cards.
I felt a little embarrassed.
Don't worry, you're new. It happens.
Do we need the ID card for class?
Sometimes for exams. Not for today, I think.
That's good. I was worried.
You can go to the student office after class.
Do you know where the student office is?
Yes, it's in Building A.
Where is Building A?
Go straight from here.
Go straight, okay.
Then turn right at the stairs.
Turn right at the stairs.
Yes, it's next to the library.
Next to the library. That sounds easy.
If you want, I can go with you.
Really? That would help a lot.
No problem. I also need to ask about my schedule.
You have a problem too?
Yes, I'm not sure about my afternoon class.
What's wrong with it?
I think the classroom changed.
Oh, that can be confusing.
Yes, I saw 2 different room numbers online.
Maybe we can check the notice board.
Good idea. The notice board is near the stairs.
I'm glad we talked today.
Me too. We can help each other.
School feels less scary now.
Yes, it's easier with a friend.
I think the teacher is coming.
Yes, she is walking in now.
I'm glad we talked before class.
Me too. I don't feel nervous anymore.
After class, let's go to the student office.
Yes, we can go together.
And we can check your schedule too.
That sounds good.
Thank you for helping me today.
You're welcome. Thank you too.
I'm happy I met you.
Same here. It's nice to have a new friend.
Let's study hard this semester.
Yes, let's do our best.
Okay, class is starting.
Good luck to us.
Excuse me, is this the place to register for classes?
Yes, it is. Are you a new student?
Yes, I am. This is my first time.
Me too. I feel a little nervous.
Same here. I don't know what to do.
Don't worry, we can ask for help.
There are so many students here today.
Yes, it's very busy.
Did you choose your classes already?
Not yet, I'm still thinking.
I don't want to choose the wrong class.
Me neither.
I hope it's not too difficult.
I think it will be okay.
I'm glad we are in the right place.
Yes, let's wait our turn.
What are you studying?
I'm studying computer science. What about you?
I'm studying business.
How many classes do you need this semester?
I need 5 classes.
Me too. 5 classes.
Do you know which classes are required?
Yes, I checked the school website.
I looked at it, but I was confused.
It was a little confusing for me too.
I need English and math.
I also need English.
What time do you want your classes?
I prefer morning classes.
Really? I like afternoon classes.
I wake up early, so morning is fine.
I sleep late, so afternoon is better for me.
Do you work part-time?
Yes, I work in the evening.
Oh, then morning classes are good for you.
Yes, that's true.
Did you meet your advisor?
Not yet. What about you?
No, not yet. I think we can ask at the desk.
I hope the classes are not full.
Me too. Some classes fill up fast.
That makes me a little worried.
Don't worry, we came early.
Yes, that's good.
We still have time to choose carefully.
Oh no, I just checked the list.
What happened?
The English class I want is full.
Really? That's not good.
I need English this semester.
Is there another time?
Yes, there is one in the afternoon.
That's good, right?
Yes, but it is at the same time as math.
Oh, that's a problem.
Yes, I can't take both.
Maybe there is another math class.
Let me check.
I'll look at the screen, too.
I see another math class.
What time is it?
It's at 10 in the morning.
That sounds better.
Yes, then I can take English in the afternoon.
Good. That solves the problem.
I was really worried for a moment.
It's okay. Registration can be stressful.
What about you? Any problems?
Yes, one class I want has only 1 seat left.
Then you should register now.
Yes, I will do it quickly.
I'm glad we checked together.
Me too. 2 people can see more.
Okay, I finished registering.
Me too. I got the class I wanted.
That's great.
Yes, I feel relieved now.
I also fixed my schedule.
Good. Everything worked out.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome. You helped me too.
Registration was not so scary.
Yes, it was easier together.
I'm excited for this semester.
Me too. I hope our classes are good.
Maybe we will be in the same English class.
That would be nice.
Good luck this semester.
Good luck to you too.
See you around campus.
See you soon.